Planning to travel with the child will involve preparation for 6 weeks prior to the departure, and that will involve a booking with the pediatrician in order to check for being up to date with the mandatory vaccination and, according to the age, to have some additional vaccination for traveling. You might be advised, again, according to the area you'll be traveling to have some oral medication to prevent malaria, a disease transmitted through insect bites. Kids, due to their exploratory nature, will be more prone to get the foodborne illnesses. In order to prevent that, the rule number 1 will be the hand hygiene. So wash your hands and your child's hands frequently. Pay attention to the quality of the food and the water that your child is consuming. For the water, wherever for drinking, preparing a formula, or even brushing the teeth, you should use a bottled or boiled water. Freshly cooked hot meal will be preferable to having different kind of salads or herbs which could have a soil contamination. You should avoid unpasteurized milk and probably the fish and shells, which will pose for you a higher infectious risk. Using of the sunscreens if traveling to a beach resort, together with avoiding the child drinking the swimming pool water and of course the shower water might be a good idea. So using of the repellents, proper clothing and nets would be advisable as well. Newborn is a baby from 0 to 1 month. That's a very, very vulnerable period of someone's life. I would probably discourage the traveling for this period. If you still need to travel, then you will have to check with the airlines because there are different rules and regulation about newborn traveling. If your baby is a preterm or a baby delivered by the cesarean section, that period will be even pushed later on. During the takeoff and landing, it's advisable to have the baby suck into a bottle pacifier or even being breastfed, which will help equalizing the pressure in his or her ear. If you have a long flight, it will be really wise to book it during the night when is your due time for your child to sleep. Be sure you took with you wherever requested, according to the age, the baby's favorite toy, coloring books and pencils, and even an iPad to just keep the baby or child distracted.